एंड जेंटलमैन, हम लोग आज सब यहाँ पे इस जगह पे इकट्ठे हुए हैं। अगर हम फिल्मों से टीवी की ओर आ जाएं तो टीवी की बात करें, वहाँ पे भी म्यूज़िक का वही हाल है। फिल्मों में कोई भी डेली सोप बिना म्यूज़िक के पूरा होते देखा है आपने? कोई भी एड आपने देखी है जो बिना म्यूज़िक के पूरी हो जाए? और तो और सबसे बड़ा रियलिटी शो इंडियन आइडल जब हिट हुआ तो वो भी म्यूजिक पे ही बेस्ड था। बट देन वी थॉट, व्हाट अबाउट द यूथ ऑफ टुडे? आजकल का वो लड़का जो कॉलेज जा रहा है, वो लड़की जो अपनी पहली जॉब के लिए जा रही है, वो भी म्यूजिक में इंटरेस्ट तो रखते हैं, बट डू दे रियली हैव अ प्लेटफॉर्म जहाँ पे उनकी तरह का म्यूजिक उनके अंदाज में, उनके स्टाइल में दिखाया जा रहा है? एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी थॉट, लेट्स हैव अ चैनल जिसका एहसास नया हो, जिसका अंदाज नया हो। So please hold your breath as here today in amongst all of you I present to you एक ऐसा म्यूजिक चैनल जिसकी आवाज बिल्कुल नई है, म्यूजिक की नई आवाज। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, हियर वी हैव सोनी रॉक्स 5 टेलीविजन चैनल का लॉन्च हो रहा है in front of 15 million people. That camera there, that's actually, we are going on FB, we are going live for the first time. So 15 million viewers of Sony Network are actually watching us live. So all those who are live on FB, hey hi, this is RJ Anmol here, and I request you कि सिर्फ हम सवाल जो है यहाँ से नहीं लेंगे, आप भी अपने सवाल जो है वो पोस्ट कर सकते हैं इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। जो भी आपको लगता है कि आपके कुछ सवाल हैं, एनी क्वेश्चंस, एनीथिंग इन योर माइंड, प्लीज post them in the comments. And right now, ladies and gentlemen, may I please welcome on the stage the man who has been leading the bandwagon, the CEO of Sony Pictures Networks India Private Limited, the one and only Mr. NP Singh. Woo! Hey. And also, of course, the baby is out. We welcome on the stage the man who's so musically inclined, the senior EVP and business head, Hindi movies and music cluster, Mr. Neeraj Vyas. Welcome, welcome. And to start off, like I said, the man who's leading the bandwagon, Mr. Singh, if you can have a few words from you.
Absolutely. Thank you, Anmol.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed what you just saw. I was sitting there tapping my feet to the music, and I'm sure all our viewers as well, and I hope all of you who are watching us on Facebook as well have enjoyed this. Last few years as a network, we've been growing very, very aggressively. We've been launching a lot of new channels. We've expanding in all the genres that we've been present in through differentiated content. And we have been trying to achieve leadership position in every genre that we are operating in. And in most genres, actually, we have achieved that, especially in Hindi movies and music. And we are well on our way on the Hindi GEC genre as well. In sports, also, we have made very strong investments recently. You've heard all about them. 10 sports will get integrated into Sony Pictures Networks in a month or so. As soon as we get our regulatory approvals, it'll become a part of Sony Pictures, and that'll give us a strong position in the sports market as well. When we launched Sony Mix 5 years or so ago, that was the first time we were getting into Bollywood music. And when we were launching, a lot of questions were asked, why now? Why when there are already 14, 15 channels in the market? And we were confident about our product. We knew what we are coming out with will give us leadership in the market, break through the clutter, and that's exactly what we did. 6 months post-launch, Mix became the #1 channel in Hindi music, and has been in the top 2 for the last several years now. Having attained maturity with Bollywood music, we decided that we must expand our footprint in music, and this time pure high definition. So we decided to launch a super premium contemporary Hindi music channel, which is youth focused, which will offer you the best of video with 1080i HD quality, the best of audio with Dolby Audio, and that's a partnership that Neeraj will talk about as well. And I'm very confident that this will again be a leader and will make Sony Pictures Networks a leader in Hindi Bollywood music as well. So with those few words, I'll hand you back to Anmol for further proceedings. Enjoy the afternoon.
Thank you. And like I told you guys while I was introducing him, a very musical man himself. His team has been working since weeks on this. So, Neeraj, Sony Rocks HD finally out in the open. How do you feel?
Superb, sir, superb.
Please, a
Completely
few
over the
words
moon.
from you.
Completely over the moon. Yeah. I need to
Yes.
use the podium. I've got some stuff that I've written. So please. So before I start off, did everybody enjoy whatever you saw up? Yeah? Sure? Yeah? Lovely. Thank you so much. Makes me feel so much better. So, no pretensions. Just a quick introduction of the channel. Sony Rocks HD is a youth-focused, very clearly youth-focused channel, contemporary Hindi film music. Right from the stage of acquisition to the stage of curation to the stage of playout, it's going to be contemporary. It's going to be music of the last 10 years. And so while 10 years may not sound very contemporary to some of you, but 10 years is essentially because around 2007, 2008, in 9 and 10, we had some lovely albums that you can't ignore. So just to name a few, Chak De is a 2007 film. Aaja Nachle is a 2008 film. These tracks are great music. And my sense is that if played out in the right day part, and I'll come to the day parting, they will look lovely, they will look beautiful, they will look resplendent. More than anything else, it's good music that needs to be played out. Yeah. So it's music of the last 10 years. That's the endeavor. As far as the playout strategy is concerned, we have day parted the entire channel, and this is something that I feel very strongly about. And a case in point is also Mix, which is another channel which is day parted. From the firm belief that from the time you wake up in the morning till the time you sleep in the night, you go through various moods. You're not in one constant mood through the day. Hence, it's critical to try and understand, and nuance your music playout as much as you can. Hence, what you saw is also, rhythm and rocks in the morning to club rocks in the night. It's a sound and a tone and a timbre which is hopefully going to be differentiated through the day. Okay, that's as far as the playout is concerned. Very critically, just to quickly, touch upon the differentiation. And I think that's something that I personally and everybody in the network is very committed to. Every genre has plenty of channels, as everybody knows. Music genre has already 15, 18 channels. So why launch another one? The reason is there is a lot that needs to be done. There is a lot that should be done, and which is why a lot of what you saw is only the beginning of a lot of things that we want to do with Sony Rocks. So Rock School of Music, for example, is you saw one interstitial. There are many, 20, 30 more that we are working on. They will tell you something, some nice, lovely things about music that you always want to know. So this was something called a guitar overdrive. The difference between a normal guitar and a guitar which is highly strung in a overdrive. We will tell you about what a refrain is, or what a riff is, or what octane is, and so many other things, small things that everybody wants to know but really doesn't know where to look. Okay, so that's Rock School of Music. Gigs in town, something small, information about musical gigs across the first, at least in the first phase, we'll try and cover the 6 metros. We'll then go towards even the small metros in the small cities, but it's basically an update of the musical performances in all the large towns of India. Trending now is the latest, according to us, the top trending songs of the week. We will obviously have interviews and star interviews and all of that. Music reviews is something that I'm very keen to work on. That's something that we'll hopefully, kind of launch towards the end of the year. Interviews with musicians, film reviews, all of this is definitely part of the mix. What is very critical is our partnership with Dolby. And I think that is something that, we are personally very proud of. And Ashim is here from Dolby. And I think it's something that is critical, because a channel like this, if it's contemporary youth, then it needs to be served in the right way, which is why the sound is equally critical. Here, I'm happy to tell everybody that we've partnered with Dolby. So two large brands, Sony and Dolby, have come together for a unique partnership, a unique audio-video partnership. And this entire channel will be in Dolby 5.1 sound, wherein we've actually integrated the workflow of Dolby and Sony into one. So every which way you look at it, this will be this will be not just the sharpest looking, but also the sharpest sounding channel in the country. That apart, in terms of maintaining a musicality, and I think that is something that we are very conscious about all the time, because music channels are not only about playing songs back to back. There has to be an integral a fabric of something that stays alive, and something that is unique, and which is why you heard the theme track of the channel. We have it playing in various day parts. That also is a small little attempt to kind of add to the musicality of the channel. The other thing is that in terms of variety, I can say it on record that we'll have more music than anybody else. We have deals signed with all top labels, T-Series, Yash Raj, Sony Music, UTV, Tips, just about everybody. Everybody making music is with Sony Rocks. Yeah. Coming to the difference between mix and rocks, mix is, like I tell everybody, is the GC in our musical cluster. It caters to a large segment of audience, literally between 4 to 40. We have something called Surili Subha in the morning, and then we have Rena Bitija in the night. It's a large canvas of music that serves a very, very, very large cross section of people. So it's also something that resonates with more and more people. Mic's gone? Is it working? Yeah. Rocks is clearly positioned at the youth. It's clearly a contemporary channel which will play contemporary music. So a huge distinction. Both the channels have their own place in the sun, and that's essentially the attempt that we've made. So that's Rocks. Hopefully, lots more to do. And I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. There is, apart from all the industries I've spoken about, a small little surprise for everybody. That's the other attempt that we've made, but we'll keep that for the end. Thank you so much, gentlemen.
Thank you so much, Neeraj. देखिए, जहाँ तक मेरा ख्याल है, मेरी म्यूज़िक की डाइट बहुत तगड़ी है. मतलब दिन में मेरे को 5 घंटे म्यूज़िक तो चाहिए. 3 घंटे तो मैं रेडियो पे सुनाता हूँ, 2 घंटे मैं खुद सुनता हूँ गाड़ी में. बिफोर वी स्टार्ट एंड बिफोर वी शूट द क्वेश्चंस, आप लोगों की म्यूजिक की डाइट कैसी है? मतलब वेयर आर यू इंक्लाइंड टुवर्ड्स, एनपी?
Music is a part of very important part of my life. Whenever I have a few moments to myself, including in the office, and Neeraj and my team has witnessed that, मैं music लगा लेता हूँ अपने कमरे में.
NP has the best sound system any CEO can have in his office.
Oh really? Wow. Wow.
Music also, when I need that boost of energy, when I need to uplift my spirit, when I'm feeling a little stressed out, I listen to music. So immediately I pop up and become energetic and very, very positive again.
So which music you were listening to before you came for the Sony Rocks launch?
Before I came, I was listening to FM, and my preferred music is old Bollywood songs.
Right.
So Rena Bitija on mix is my favorite slot. And I love this music as well.
Wow.
Ever since I've seen this channel, and trust you me, I have my collection on my iPad is about 12,000 plus songs.
Ooh, you can have 2 radio stations.
Correct. And in the last 2 weeks, ever since Neeraj started to show me stuff from Rocks, I've actually downloaded a lot of this music on my iPad and been listening to that too. Feeling young and youthful.
Woohoo! What about you, Neeraj? I know you are deeply into music.
So music as soon as I wake up in the morning. So there's radio, Anmol, for you.
Thank you.
There's music in the car when I get to work. There is a bit of music through the day, and there is music back when I get back in my car. And just before I sleep, there's music either playing on mix or playing on my headphones. So it's many hours of it. Many hours of it.
So good. Matlab, all the three people on the stage have a huge diet for music, and I'm sure even your diet is like that. But NP, any business is actually works on a demand supply module. So my first question to you is that what was the demand in the market that you thought that हम एक Sony Rocks तरह का channel लेकर आएंगे जो youth को cater करेगा, इस तरह का music play करेगा.
If you, one, there is not always a great demand, you have to create demand. And that's what we did with Mix as well. As I was saying earlier, when we launched Mix, a lot of questions were asked, why now and when the market is so cluttered. So when we actually went and did some research and got the insight that youth don't have a dedicated destination for the kind of music that they want to listen to and see, in the kind of quality they would like to enjoy it, both video and audio, we decided that it's incumbent upon us as Sony, who've been known to pioneer top quality content, both in terms of visuals and audio, that we should come up with a channel which will cater to that need of the youth of today, which is why Rocks HT, which I'm sure will resonate very well with them, and they will groove to the music on Rocks HT and party hard every night.
I'm sure, party hard every time. Neeraj, I was watching Rhythm and Rocks in the morning today, and the view of the channel is very clean. It's not the 16:9, it's more wide, clean, no ticker, nothing. So you get a good experience while watching.
So very clearly, I think that's something that is very paramount. Music channels, I think, I won't want to name anybody, but some of them have lost their way essentially because of the clutter on the channel. Okay, it seriously eats into the viewing experience. Most of those things that crawl on your screen are blind spots. Frankly, I don't even think that they kind of create any value for the brand or whatever. So clearly, as we set up the channel, our focus was to minimalize the look and packaging of the channel, which is why you see the clean look. Very clearly, we wanted something which was non-intrusive, and since we were promising quality in terms of audio and video of that level, it was very imperative that we keep it clean and nice. And at the end of the day, it's HD.
Feel like you're watching a film.
Absolutely. So
in a theater,
it needs to look like that. Secondly, 16:9 and not going letterbox is the other conscious decision we took, because Dolby and HD looks best when it's full screen. So that's the other. So every track that we have is going through Archangel process where we stretch it to the maximum without losing any pixelization. So it's a lot of hard work at our end. End of the day, all of it to make sure that the viewing experience is fantastic.
Okay, before I open our questions from our friends from the media, one last question to you, Neeraj, is that anything you do comes with a great responsibility, and Sony has always been a pioneer in giving raw talent a chance. Now, this channel is catering to the youth, and there is huge raw talent in that age bracket of like 17 to 20, 20 to 25. So, are you looking at any promotion of talent, new raw talent?
You will see it in the next 5 minutes.
All right, that's a surprise.
That's a surprise. That's
All right, so we wait for the surprise, but till then, I request my friends from the media, and of course, all those who are on Facebook Live, please post your questions in the comments. And may we have the first question, sir, your name and where you're from?
Yes, Ajit Singh, Dainik Bhaskar se.
It's on Mix, and I refer to Raina Biti Jai at 9 p.m. and it will continue to be on Mix. This channel is, as we said, is youth focused, and it's a premium contemporary channel for the youth of today.
Areas as in the geographies you're talking about? Clearly the large metros, because that's where the DTH penetration is mostly. But I think as we get into the next couple of years, and with DTH penetration now growing by the day, we see it across all the mini metros and spreading through the country.
Sir.
अजीत सिंह दैनिक भास्कर से. आपने जैसे कहा 15-16 चैनल ऑलरेडी पहले से हैं मार्केट में, तो उनसे कंपटीशन करने के लिए आपकी स्ट्रेटजी क्या होगी, आपका यूएसपी क्या होगा?
सर, ये सारी जो चीज़ें आपने तो देखी अभी, जो डिफ्रेंशिएशन की मैं जो बातें कर रहा था, ये गिग्स इन टाउन, रॉक स्कूल ऑफ म्यूज़िक और बहुत सारी चीज़ें ट्रेंडिंग नाउ, और हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो कर रहे हैं, ये सारा डे पार्टिंग जो है, ये सब हम अपने आप को अलग करने के लिए ही कर रहे हैं. तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि इस जोन का कोई चैनल फ़िलहाल अवेलेबल है. तो कारण है हमारे पास, बहुत बड़ा कारण है.
Okay.
Straight answer, no, that's not in the plans. This is a pure play, high definition music channel, and we'll play pure Bollywood music on this channel. Sometime in the, and of course, Neeraj is keeping a secret which you'll see in a few minutes from now. So we will be encouraging that music as well. But let me not talk too much about it. I don't want to steal his thunder.
Okay, we have
आप देख लेंगे सर, 10 मिनट वेट कीजिए. You'll see it yourself live here.
Okay, till we pass on the mic, we have a question coming from Facebook, guys. Shreya Thakkar from Mumbai, वो आपसे पूछना चाहती हैं कि do you plan on playing a separate set of unplugged music for the viewers?
Pretty much so. Pretty much so. You'll see it in a short while. Yeah.
All right, Shreya, some unplugged music coming up for you. Anything more for, yeah, ma'am, there, please. Can you please pass on the mic, please?
Firstly, hello. Yeah. So firstly, hearty congratulations. So now I am a 21-year-old myself, and often so I can relate more to maybe a DDLJ song or a Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum song more than I can relate to maybe a Roy song or a Dilwale song. So I am still the youth, and I'm sure many of us often relate to the same
We
kind
need
of.
many more like you.
Yes,
We
exactly.
need many, many more like you.
Yeah.
Trust me.
So, don't you think you're kind of missing out on that bit of it? As in, like, because we grew up, listening to a DDLJ or a Kuch Kuch Hota Hai song. So, won't we like be missing that? Because often, so what happens if I go onto a Sony mix, I cannot relate to a 50s or 60s song, but I can relate to a 90s or 2000s song as well. So, too contemporary. You get what I mean.
To be very honest, the 90s and 2000s are being played more than anything else today. So if you look at even radio stations for that matter, and Anmol is here
one
to.
full radio station is launched on that kind of music, yeah.
So 90s is technically the new retro, the way you see it. Very honestly, 2000 and 90s is what is being played across. Mix plays a lot of that. The other reason is that most of these videos are not available in HD quality, and even the sound quality of those days is not what is doable in a Dolby, and so we have logistical reasons for not being able to do that beyond a point.
I think between the two channels, all your needs will be met.
Mix and rocks. In fact, there is Vignesh who's from Kolhapur. There's a Facebook question, and Vignesh, he says he's 20 years old and he's congratulating you because he loves this kind of music. In fact, he's asking, is there anything in the pipeline when it comes to a English music channel? NP.
Vignesh, today we are launching our second Bollywood Hindi music channel. English is a space that we have been looking at for some time, and when we feel that there is an opportunity for us to enter in that market, we will certainly consider it. But as of now, we don't have immediate plans to get into English music channels.
All right. So, friends from the media, any more questions, please? Yeah, ma'am. Yeah. Can you please pass on the mic?
Hi,
Hey.
Malika from Radio and Music. What I believe is independent music scene is really booming in India, and sadly there was no sign of independent artists and independent music. So, your words. Why so?
Your wish will be fulfilled in the next few minutes.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
There's the Merry Christmas man. Wish will be fulfilled in a few minutes from now. Okay, one more question, and this is actually crossing the borders. We are going to Pakistan here. We have Arshad Khan from Pakistan congratulating you on this launch. He's saying, will you be launching Sony Mix HD little later?
Can't really, because like I said earlier, we have day parts working from the music of the 60s right up to the latest music. A lot of that music is not available in HD, so clearly, technically not possible.
It's technically not possible.
अच्छा मेरा प्रश्न है कि क्या इसमें जो यूथ होंगे वो अपने पसंद के
मैम, कहाँ से
गाने
है
भी
मैम?
सुन सकेंगे?
हाँ जी जी बिल्कुल.
अपने पसंद के गाने वो सुन सकेंगे, वो आपसे रिक्वेस्ट कर भेज
Request.
सकते हैं ऐसा?
It's a secret that I don't want to share now, but we're working on something. It's going to be a little differentiated again, just because we do everything differently. But yes, there is a plan to do it, but again, do it very differently and not do it the way everybody else is doing it.
Do we have any more questions? You know what I love about both the channels is that even with Mix, I think Mix started this trend. और किसी music channel में ऐसा है नहीं that you give proper credit to the label, to the artist, to the lyricist, to the music director, which is so important, guys. And the way you're presenting it here is Neeraj amazing.
I think yet again we are the only ones who yet do it. I think
Yes,
lyricist
absolutely.
is somebody that from strange
They
reason
forget, they don't give credit to
nobody
the
mentions,
artist.
You know, Majroo Saab, Bakshi Saab,
swear.
Javed Akhtar,
Legends.
Indiva Ranjan. My God, it's endless. How can you not, you know, talk
No,
about
we,
it?
we believe in giving credit where it belongs.
Right. Do we have any more questions? Or if you want to close the questions, we can get on to the surprise bit. Done? All right. Cool. So, okay. So, the surprise.
Absolutely, guys. All yours.
Thank
Okay.
you.